here's a run through of your install for a cat's paw sleeve. So you'll need a fastener side bag. In the kit, you'll be getting a red or a black cat's paw sleeve, copper washers, copper rivets, and then the tools to get the job done. You'll need a drill with a 3/16 drill bit, smooth-faced hammer, a flush cutter. This is a 9/32 deep socket, but you can also use a small piece of pipe that'll fit over the rivet. And then you'll need a small, any hard surface really, edge of a table. Today I'm using an anvil, but it doesn't need to be something like that. You can just use the edge of the table if it's easier. So our first order of business, you're going to need to remove the outer 2 rivets on the bag itself. So you'll go to the back side of the bag, set it up on that hard surface, and you'll use your 3/16 drill bit to take off just the back of the washer itself. So where it's flared out, you'll put your drill bit down in there. Just fire away. If you have a little trouble getting the washer off, this is just a sharpened piece of welding rod. You can use anything, end of a knife, anything to poke that out, and then you'll actually be able, with this one, you can push it through and it'll pop the other side of the rivet out. So you'll line up your back strap with the back, front strap with the front. You can put the copper rivets through a few different ways on the backs. It's just dependent on what angle you prefer. So for most people, that middle hole is fine, which you can push it on through to the other side. From there, you'll want to employ your hard surface, so edge of a table, some way to prop the bag up. It'll be a little bit easier, but you'll put your copper washer right on top, and you'll use that deep socket right over top of it, and your smooth-faced hammer, and knock that down. And you just want it to be secure. You don't have to wail on it really. It's just until it feels snug on there, you should be fine. From there, you want to take your flush cutters, give yourself about an 1/8 inch from the end of the washer so that you have something to peen down. It's usually easy if you start to clip one direction, turn your cutter 90 degrees, and clip off the rest so that you have a little bit extra there. After you've set those rivets down and you've clipped off your excess, you can use that hard surface. And all you're going to do is use the smooth end of your hammer and just pull out that rivet. It'll start to mushroom out, so that's what's going to hold the rivet together. And there you have it.